Welcome to Goalie's Pip Academy.
Have you ever wondered why a stop sign is red and octagonal? Or why that driver who didn't signal almost caused a collision? Road signs aren't random. They're carefully designed using color psychology, specific shapes, and universal symbols to communicate danger, guidance, and rules in a split second. Today we're diving into the silent language of the road and walking through real-world scenarios where one smart driving choice can be the difference between a close call and a crash. By the end, you'll understand the hidden psychology behind every sign you see. Every time you get behind the wheel, you're entering a conversation conducted without words. Road Rules for Drivers is the entire system of visual communication and defensive strategies that allow millions of drivers to share the road safely every day. Think of it like learning a new language, except instead of words, you're reading colors, shapes, flashing lights, and vehicle movements to predict what happens next. Consider symbols: a picture of a person walking, a bicycle, a twisting arrow. These transcend language barriers. A driver from Japan, Mexico, or Germany can navigate roads in the United States because the visual language is largely universal. This system was developed over decades through international cooperation to create instant, wordless communication that works at high speeds. Next, we need to understand the silent language between drivers: turn signals. These blinking amber lights are your primary tool for communicating intention. When you signal left, you're telling everyone around you, "I'm about to move into your space." Other drivers rely on that information to adjust their speed, change lanes, or prepare to stop. Failing to signal is like walking through a crowded room with your eyes closed. Here's the surprising part. When drivers don't signal, it doesn't just create confusion, it creates anger. Road rage often stems from unpredictability. Imagine a car suddenly swerving into your lane without warning. Your adrenaline spikes. But when drivers signal clearly and early, they create a cooperative environment. You're essentially saying, "I see you, I respect your space, here's what I'm doing." It transforms the road from a battleground into a shared community space. Communication doesn't stop at turn signals. Your brake lights tell the driver behind you to slow down. Your headlights in fog or rain signal your presence. A quick flash of high beams might warn an oncoming driver about a hazard ahead. Hazard lights indicate you're stopped or moving slowly. Every light, every signal is a word in this silent language. Time for our first quiz. Multiple choice question. Why are stop signs designed to be red and octagonal in shape? A. Easier to manufacture. B. Color and shape for instant recognition. C. Red paint is cheapest. D. To match traffic lights. If you said B, then well done, that's right. The combination of red's psychological urgency and the octagon's unique shape creates a sign your brain can identify instantly, even in poor conditions. Now let's walk through real-world scenarios where defensive driving makes all the difference. Picture this. You're approaching a four-way stop. You arrive first, so you have the right of way. But as you start to move forward, you notice another driver rolling through without fully stopping. A defensive driver doesn't assume everyone will follow the rules. You hesitate, making eye contact, ready to brake. That hesitation just prevented a collision. Defensive driving means expecting the unexpected, planning for the moment when someone runs a red light, doesn't see you in their blind spot, or misjudges a turn. Most intersection accidents happen when drivers proceed immediately without checking cross traffic. A defensive driver waits a beat, glances both ways, and then proceeds. That single second can save your life. Here's another scenario. A car merges in front of you without signaling, then immediately slows down. A defensive driver increases following distance instead of tailgating, giving themselves time and space to react if they brake suddenly. The 2-second rule, staying at least 2 seconds behind the car ahead, becomes your safety buffer. Defensive driving also means being visible. Don't linger in someone's blind spot. If you can't see their mirrors, they can't see you. So why does all of this matter beyond just passing your driving test? Because roads are getting more complex. We're sharing space with delivery trucks, bicycles, electric scooters, pedestrians, and increasingly semi-autonomous vehicles. Mastering this silent language doesn't just keep you safe. It reduces traffic congestion and models good behavior for new drivers. Time for our second quiz. Multiple choice question. What does defensive driving mean at intersections? A. Trust everyone follows rules. B. Expect the unexpected. C. Always go first. D. Drive as fast as possible. If you said B, then well done, that's right. Defensive driving means expecting the unexpected, anticipating the stakes, staying alert, and always having a backup plan.
Hey, you're watching Goalie's Pip Academy, where we teach about science, geography, history, everything about the whole world. If you want to watch these classes with no ads, no distractions, go to getgoalie.com.
Road signs use color psychology and distinct shapes to communicate instantly. Red means stop or danger. Yellow means caution. Green guides, and blue informs. Turn signals are your voice on the road, telling others your intentions and preventing the confusion that leads to crashes. And defensive driving at intersections means staying alert, expecting the unexpected, and giving yourself time and space to react. The next time you're on the road, pay attention to the conversation happening all around you. Notice how a simple blinker changes your behavior, and recognize that every driver is relying on you to play your part. In this silent language of the road, every signal matters, and every smart choice you make might just prevent the accident that never happened. Drive smart, signal clearly, and stay safe.
My mind is blown! Where can I learn more about these videos? Oh yeah, getgoalie.com. There's no ads, there's no junk, just cool stuff for kids and a dedicated tablet. Check it out, getgoalie.com.